My name is Midshipman Justiniano Eroy. Role number 9. Narrow channels. A. A vessel proceeding along the course of the narrow channel of fairway shall keep as near to the outer layer of the channel or fairway which lies on her starboard sides as safe and practicable. B. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length or a sailing vessel shall not intend the passageway of vessels which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or fairway. C. A vessels engaged in fishing shall not intend the passage of any other vessels navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. D. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if which a crossing impedes passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within such channel or fairway. The latter vessel may use the sound signal prescribing in rule number 34. D. If in doubt as to the intent of the crossing vessels. A. 1. A narrow channel or fairway when overtaking can take only place if vessel can be overtaken has to take action to permit safe passing. The vessel intend to overtake shall indicate her intention by surrounding the appropriate signal prescribed in rule number 434. E. 1. A vessel to overtaken shall, if in agreement, sound the appropriate signal prescribed in rule number 34. C2. And take steps to permit safe passing. If in doubt, she may sound the signal prescribed in rule number 34. D. 2. This rules does not relieve the overtaking vessels of her obligation under rule number 13. F. A vessel nearly in a bend or an area of narrow channeling or fairway where other vessels may be obscured by an interviewing obstruction shall navigate with particular alertness and caution and shall sound the appropriate signal prescribed in rule number 34. G. Any vessel shall, if the circumstance of the case admit, avoid anchoring in a narrow channel.